So this is try number 2 since Miss Crane loaded the whole video and then realized that my microphone on my better headphones was turned off. So this is try number 2. We're going to start our reading day with a letter from a very special person. And this letter is from Mr. Jordan. Do you remember who he is? You are right. He is our principal or the leader of our whole Parkridge school. So I'm going to read you the letter and see what he says to us. He says, Dear kindergarten students, welcome to Parkridge Elementary. We are so happy you are a student here. As your principal, one of my jobs is to make sure you stay safe, learn a lot, and have fun together. I know you have already begun to learn about your classroom and one another, but there is still much more for us to learn together. For the next few weeks, I want you to be play experts and learn how to make playing fun. I want you to discover how to take care of each other while you play. Sometimes we play with toys and sometimes we play games. I also want you to learn about each other so you can teach me about your new friends and how they prefer to play. Kindergartners, you have a lot of work to do. I hope you'll write me letters to tell me all about what you learn. Your new friend, Principal Mr. Jordan. When we're further along in our play unit, our toy unit, we will be writing together during crew time back to Mr. Jordan to tell him all about what we learned. So let me find the next page. Again, this is my second attempt filming this with sound this time. So today we're going to work on our characters. We're going to study each book we read this year for about 2 weeks and become experts or really good about doing closer read and really analyzing or thinking about what the author tells us. So today we're going to learn or work on I can use illustrations to tell about characters. But first we have to review what a character is. So looking at the cover, remember this is the cover, not this, but the cover has the title and the author. In this case, it's the author and the illustrator. Anna Dewdney wrote the words. She was the author. And she drew us these wonderful illustrations. She is the illustrator or the artist as well. So looking at the cover, we have our characters, our main characters. In some books, the characters are people, and in other books, they are animals. In this book, the animals are our characters. So we are going to dive a little bit deeper. And I want you to look closely at what Llama is holding. Did you say that Llama is holding a toy, Fuzzy Llama, and a bunch of other toys as well? I wonder, do you have a special toy at home like Llama? I bet you do. So we're going to reread, that means read again, a few pages and then talk about them. Good readers often reread to even find out more about the characters. So it says Llama playing trains, driving trucks, and flying planes. Someone's at the door. Who is it? Brand new neighbors come to visit. So visit means that you go somewhere and spend time with somebody. So I wonder who is visiting Llama and his family. We use the illustration to help us. I see Mama New and Baby New and Nellie New. Those must be the visitors. I'm gonna look carefully. Just like we did at Llama, what is Nellie New holding? Is she also holding a special toy? I agree. So give me 1 second to find the next part because I had all these papers in order, but then I thought I was done filming and I put them back in order for my kids are in class and not you guys at home. So now I'm going to read a couple more pages and we're going to think about how Llama feels when he meets Nellie New. Llama, this is Nellie New. Look, she has a dolly too. Mrs. New, would you like some tea? Come and have a cup with me. You two kids could play in there. And Llama, don't forget to share. So what does Llama's mom tell him? You're right. She told him, don't forget to share. So now let's use the illustration. Let's look carefully at Llama Llama's face. What do you notice about his face? His eyes are wide. Make your eyes wide like Llama Llama. And his mouth is, oh, make your mouth like Llama Llama. How do you think Llama Llama is feeling when his mom tells him, don't forget to share? I think he's feeling sad or worried. Why do you think Llama Llama looks a little bit nervous? Maybe because he's meeting a new friend. He doesn't know Nellie knew yet. A lot of you were nervous last week when we started school. So when we're done diving into the book together, you'll be sorting pictures that show, or illustrations that show Llama Llama feeling good and Llama Llama feeling kind of sad or angry or mad, not feeling so hot. So let's do one more together for practice. So the one we just did, he is feeling a little bit nervous about meeting friends. Let's see how he's feeling on the next page. Trains and trucks and puzzles too. What's the new girl want to do? Play with kitchen, build with blocks. Llama opens up his box. Nellie starts to build a town. Llama Llama starts a frown. Show me your best frowns. I don't do a good frown today since I'm happy. Hopefully your frowns are better. Nellie New makes walls and stairs. Llama watches from a chair. So I'm going to zoom in on Llama down here. On this page, let's look at Llama's face. He is frowning. How do you think he's feeling now? Did you say he's sad or unhappy? So why is he upset? He doesn't want to share his toys with Nellie. So that's why he's feeling upset. So on our feelings chart that you'll do in a second, I'm wondering, is he feeling good, okay, happy, excited? Or is he feeling kind of sad or lonely or mad? You're right, I'd put him in the not feeling so good side. So now when you finish with your assignment, you're going to choose one picture and use the sentence frame. I'll have it on Seesaw, but you're going to say, in this picture, or you can say, in this illustration, I see Llama Llama with a frown. I think he feels sad because he has to share his toys. So you'll have some choices, but you'll say a whole sentence with your idea. So good readers are able to explain their ideas. So in this picture, this is mine. In this picture, I see Llama Llama frowning. I think he feels sad because he has to share his toys with Nellie. I wonder what picture you will choose to tell me about. Thank you for listening to the super long lesson. You got 2 more slides to do a Llama Llama. You're going to sort Llama Llama by feeling good and not so good. And then you're going to tell me about one picture.